Hey, so I saw you were looking for help on how to take the district's Nearpod lessons and make them into your own. So in your courses, you are going to want to go to the K to 5 ELA teacher resources. If you have not added this class, I will send you the enrollment key so that you can add it to your courses. So once you've clicked on that, you'll see their page. So we're going to go to the instructional resources. You're going to go to kindergarten, and we want to see the lesson plans. And we're in unit 00. So let's go to day 1. So day 1 will download, and you'll see they'll give you the YouTube video links. But you're going to want to scroll down to the Nearpods. Here's their first Nearpod about getting to know Nearpod and getting to know you. So when you click on it, it'll ask you to add it to My Library. And you're going to say yes. And then it'll take you to your Nearpod account. So now that you have it in your library, you can click on Student Paste. And you're going to take this embed code, once you've clicked on embed, and click copy. Once you've copied it, let's go to your ELA class for reading. And I'm just going to pick a page to show you, but you would find a page that you want to post that in. We're going to go to the course media button, upload media, and then embed. So now when students submit work, it will link to your Nearpod account and not the district's Nearpod account. I hope that helps. Please let me know if you still have questions.